Greetings, Space Cadets. Today we're going to take a look at the next Hobbit statue from the extended edition of The Desolation of Smaug. Unfortunately, this wasn't released in the UK, unlike the Lord of the Rings ones. All of the Hobbit ones are only being released in the US. So I've had this imported over. Let's take a quick look around. Some beautiful artwork on the box there. I will put all these pictures as well on my website as well later today. Smaug heading towards Lake Town. That's a really nice picture. That I wonder if I can get that as a desktop on my laptop. Let's see, nothing on the bottom. Have a quick look with this one. We've got where movie, of course, that I've already got from the UK version, and we get a nice little statue of them escaping in the barrels. So let's take a look at that. Oops, taped down. There we go, we're in. There, of course, is the Blu-ray. Can you make out the little lenticular effect on there? So my lights don't get in the way. There we go. Enough of that. That's not what we're looking at today. Very carefully. Right, let's close the lid on the box. Move that to the back. Ooh, I bet that sounds really good on the mic. I'm only picking up this foam for a week, aren't I? There's the front cover off. Almost. And there we go, we're in. Let's pop this on the ground there. Before we have a look at that, see what's on the bottom. So we've got the sculptor Gary Hunt. And all the marks from Weta. Start from the bottom. Just focus on that. Slowly moving around them. The foreign looks quite good. I'm not too sure about Bilbo's face. Let's move that around a bit. So we've got the barrels, all the foaming waves, the rocks underneath. I just noticed he's got an oak blade in his hand. And there we go. So this is what you get with the Hobbit Desolation of Smaug, like collector's edition, but only released in the US because they've screwed over the United Kingdom and Europe yet again. But I'll put all the pictures of this up on my website. As well, you can see the previous unboxing video I did for the last sculpture that I imported from Weta in New Zealand. And there's plenty of pictures as well of the rest of my Lord of the Rings collection that you can just pop on my website there and take a look at. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.